Welcome to Dashway Talks, a show powered by Dashway Consulting, a China-based strategic market research company founded in 2010.
Hello, I'm Marc Burban, founder of Asian Risk Management Services. We are an insurance broker specialized in general insurance. General insurance provides coverage in every situation where an accident may occur. We help our clients to mitigate risk they may face through insurance coverage. We combine an international and local expertise.
How long will it take from the date a product recall event is reported to the insurer to the date the insured receives the indemnity?
The first example is about a subsidiary of a mail order company. They offered free of charge to their customer deep fryer if the clients place an order with a minimum purchase amount. They bought the deep fryers from a distributor and offer this under their own name. So they rebrand under their own name the deep fryer. The deep fryer was shipped from China to Europe through two ports, the ports of Le Havre in France and Antwerpen in Belgium. Upon arrival at Le Havre, some samples of the deep fryers has been checked by the custom. It was found out a defect on the clipping of the wire of the house connector. So the deep fryer did not meet the safety standard of the EU regulation regarding electrical products. A low percentage of deep fryer were found defective. So the defect was not detected by the company that did the quality inspection before the goods left China. So it was covered, so the cover attached because the company that did inspection did its job, did its duty. However, the company was not able to track this defect. So the mail order company hold responsible the distributor who sold the product to them, and this distributor was insured, covered. The insurer indemnify all communication expenses incurred to post on media advertisement about product recall of the product, and also any expenses related to locate the defective product, shipping expenses, warehouse fees, overtime of employees related to the recall operations. The cost of the claim was about 200,000 euros. Second example of claim, this is regarding a company manufacturing electric motors, mainly used as component of gardening and outdoor power equipment. So they placed an order of about 15,000 motors to one of their clients in Europe, and that client was manufacturer of power tools equipment such as lawn mowers or electric saws. Upon arrival of the motor to the client premises in Europe, about 60% of the motor were found defective. The defect was that the diameter of the internal thread of the motor shaft was outside of what we call the permitted maximum tolerance. In fact, the motor cannot be used as the screw on which the blade of the lawn mowers was fixed can be loosened itself, so with potential damage to user. So it was a safety issue. The company supplying the motor was all responsible by its client of the defect, and has to recall the defective product and rework it to correct the defect. In fact, the defect was not detected by this company as this component. So the thread was outsourced to a supplier. So they did some checking, but not the control of the size of the diameter of the thread, which was supposed, this operation was supposed to be done by the supplier. So the loss was covered, and the claim consists of the cost of sorting operation, the cost of for reworking in China and in Europe the motor, the value of the scrap component, traveling and such as transport expenses, the cost of the equipment to ensure to rework the product, so basically the rework lines. The total cost was about 300,000 euro. So although the product was not subject to any public recall order, the claim was covered as the defect of the product was a safety issue.
Any questions? We will find an expert to answer them. Drop your questions in the comments or send us an email, dx@dashwayconsulting.com.